Take a closer look at this lunchbox size Igloo Cooler. It is the perfect size to carry in your vehicle or underneath a stadium seat. You can see here that it has a folding handle that folds out of the way, so it's easier to store. And the lid comes up, very simple to use. Because they come in so many different colors and they're so common, Igloo has a wonderful line of coolers and other products. Now, as a side note, just a couple tips. I always put my initials on the bottom because you may find many of these at the shop, at school, in the stadium, but I put my initials on it. And one other tip is that I freeze bottles of water and use that in my cooler so that I can then put all of my products or my lunches or meals or snacks in Ziploc bags so they do not get wet, and I place them in the cooler. I highly recommend the Igloo Cooler in this lunchbox size.